Hello everyone. In the video, we will know the basics of tarot reading. We will make it simple and enjoyable for you. You will be able to have a basic understanding of what each card means. So let's start. What is tarot? Tarot is a pack of 78 cards. This is used for divination and gaining insight. Every card possesses a different picture, symbolism, and meaning. People use tarot cards to seek guidance. They want advice on their lives, like relationships, career, and personal growth. The structure of a tarot deck. The tarot deck divides into two main parts. They are major arcana and minor arcana. Major arcana has 22 cards. They represent important life events or spiritual lessons. These cards are often seen as the most important in a reading. They deal with big themes and milestones in life. Here are a few examples. Fool represents new beginnings and taking risks. The Magician symbolizes power, skill, and creativity. The High Priestess. It indicates intuition, mystery, and inner wisdom. The Empress. It signifies enough, nurturing, and growth. Emperor represents authority, structure, and control. Minor Arcana has 56 cards. They reflect daily life and smaller specific issues. 4 suits divide these cards. Wands represent creativity, passion, and action. They're associated with the element of fire. Cups symbolize emotions, relationships, and intuition. They connect to the element of water. Swords reflect thoughts, communication, and challenges. They're linked to the element of air. Pentacles represent material aspects, work, and finances. They're related to the elements of earth. Each suit has 14 cards. How tarot works. The effectiveness of tarot cards lies in them causing a connection to the reader's subconscious self. When you mix and pick the cards, you will be linked with your thought and emotion processes. You pull the cards to get some perspective on your life and/or circumstances. They assist in making you think of potential consequences. First step, get to know your tarot deck. First, you need to get confidential with your tarot deck. Look at each card and take in the details. Notice the colors, symbols, and figures. Try to understand what each card means. You can use a tarot guidebook to help you. Step 2, shuffle the cards. In the second step, you need to shuffle the cards. This mixes them up and clears away any old energy. There are different ways to shuffle, but a simple one is to hold the cards in one hand and use the other to mix them. Keep shuffling until you feel the cards are ready. Step 3, ask a question. Now think about what you want to know. It's best to ask open and ended questions like, what do I need to know about my career? Instead of yes or no questions. This helps the tarot give you more detailed answers. Step 4, choose a spread. A spread is the way you lay out the cards. For beginners, a simple 3-card spread is perfect. It includes past. This card shows past events that affect the situation. Present. This card shows what is happening now. Future. This card shows what might happen. Step 5, draw the cards. First, close your eyes, focus on your question, and draw 3 cards. Place them in front of you from left to right. Step 6, interpret the cards. Now, let's interpret the cards. Look at each card one by one. See how it relates to your question. Use the guidebook to understand each card's meaning. Think about how the past card connects to the present and how the present card might have led to the future. Example. Reading. Let's do a quick example reading. Imagine you asked about your career. You draw these 3 cards. Past, the Fool. This card shows you took a big leap of faith in the past. Present, the Magician. This card means you have the skills and tools you need right now. Future, the World. This card suggests you will achieve your goals and find success. Common tarot cards and their meanings. Here are a few common tarot cards and their meanings. Fool, new beginnings, taking risks. The Magician, power, skill, creativity. High Priestess, intuition, mystery, inner wisdom. Empress, abundance, nurturing, growth. The Emperor, authority, Structure, control. Teaching yourself how to read tarot cards can be an enlightening and profitable interest with our rules. You can learn the basics of tarot card reading by following these steps. Start with getting to know all 78 cards in your deck, major arcana and minor arcana both. Also, practice shuffling and drawing these cards while asking open-ended questions aimed at gaining deeper understanding. Choose simple spreads. An example is the 3-card spread. It helps interpret the past, present, and future of your queries. Remember to trust your intuition. Use the guidebook to interpret each card. Keeping a tarot journal can also enhance your understanding over time. Tarot reading does not predict the future with certainty. It is about gaining insights and guidance to help navigate life. With practice, you'll become more confident. You'll also become skilled at interpreting the cards. Thanks for watching the video.